Be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician before using this medication. Remember to always consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking Om3-Dha-Epa-Ala-Fish-Flax-E capsule delayed release, Enteric coated, capsule delayed EC. In the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about any potential side effects. You can also report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and report any side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication or supplement. It's important to consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking Om3-Dha-Epa-Ala-Fish-Flax-E capsule delayed release, Enteric coated, capsule delayed EC. Make sure to keep a list of all your medications and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. This will help them better understand your overall health and avoid any potential drug interactions. When taking Om3-Dha-Epa-Ala-Fish-Flax-E capsule delayed release, Enteric coated, capsule delayed EC, it's important to follow the recommended dosage as prescribed by your healthcare professional. It's usually taken once a day, and the best time to take it can vary depending on individual needs. Be sure to discuss the optimal timing with your doctor or pharmacist to ensure you're getting the most out of this medication. If you or someone else has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact your local poison control center for assistance. In the US, you can call 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, reach out to your provincial poison control center. Unfortunately, there is currently no official information available about the specific uses and benefits of Om3-Dha-Epa-Ala-Fish-Flax-E capsule delayed release, Enteric coated, capsule delayed E.C. It is always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication or supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and concerns. Be sure to consult your pharmacist or physician before starting any new medication or supplement. Always consult with your pharmacist or physician before taking Om3-Dha-Epa-Ala-Fish-Flax-E capsule delayed release, Enteric coated, capsule delayed EC. Do not flush this medication down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. For more details on how to safely discard this product, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. When taking Om3-Dha-Epa-Ala-Fish-Flax-E capsule delayed release, Enteric coated, capsule delayed EC, it is important to follow the recommended daily dosage and take it at the optimal time for maximum benefits. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.